Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start analyzing trends with CoinGecko step by step clearly. Visit the CoinGecko website at CoinGecko.com. Once the home page loads, familiarize yourself with the layout. Navigate to the Coins section located in the top menu. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of cryptocurrencies. Select a specific coin from the list to access its detailed page. Review the market data provided, such as price, market cap, and volume. Scroll down to find historical price charts for deeper analysis. Utilize the time frame options to observe trends over different periods. Compare the selected coin with others using the Compare feature. Next, explore the Exchanges tab to evaluate where trading is taking place. Investigate trending coins in the Trending Coins section for new opportunities. Consider using the Portfolio feature to track your assets over time. Utilize the Developer section to assess a coin's technical activity. Explore the Community tab for social signals and sentiment analysis. Take advantage of the educational resources available through the Learn section. Finally, keep an eye on the News section for the latest updates in the crypto space. With these steps, you will be well on your way to analyzing trends using CoinGecko. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.